Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Benjamin Koto Itoga Jr. Well, today we're gonna be working together to learn how to make this amazing logo as you can see on my screen right now. Let me just show you the logo that we're going to be making today. Okay, these logos we're going to be making. This is day one, so we're going to be creating this one. Okay, then day two this for day two, day three, day four, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So day one is what we're going to be making this logo, this one. Okay, now let's go back to our workspace. So as we look at the logo, the first thing that we want to look for is our shapes. Okay, we want to grab our shapes from the element features. You grab your shapes, and all through we're using the cycle. Okay, now we have a cycle here. What we want to do is to duplicate the cycle 10 times. We need 3 of the cycles. Okay, I mean more than 3, but for now we will get to that point where we need. So as you see the cycle this way, you have to expand it. You can use the shortcut key, the plus or the minus key on your keyboard to expand it. Okay, and you can do the same thing, or you can just use the mouse and you can expand it. And this one also has to duplicate this one and put it both sides. Please, if you haven't watched my previous video, please, I suggest that you go and watch my previous videos, and that will help you to understand everything that I'm doing here right now. So next thing we want to do is to change the color. Okay, we're going to change the color. So it depends on what color you want, right? So we're going to change the color to white, and this one to white. And we're also going to change the fill color to white. And this one, the fill colors to white. And this one, we're going to change the color to white and the fill color to white. And we're going to make this one black. Okay. And we're going to make this one red. And we can make this fill color red also. Right. And make this one red. Okay. Um, okay. So I mean, we noticed that the color here is not matching. One, the color inside is red, and this one out. So we have to make it the same as in and out. Okay. Okay. Now I think we have it at close. And what we need right now is we saw that there was a text ahead of, okay, there was a text above. So how do we get that text? Well, pretty simple. It's pretty simple, rather. So all we need make an adjustment here and here. Okay, we can also get another one. You can also duplicate this one and make it as a cycle, expand it, get close. Okay, get close to that. Okay, and then we can send it backward. Now we're going to change this to black, as you can see, and we're going to change this one to white. Then we send it backward this way. Okay, send it backward. Okay, now that we have completed that part, okay, I'm going to make this one black. And we're also going to duplicate this one. And inside this one, okay, inside this one, we're going to make it right. Okay, now what we want to do is to put a text. Now we come here text, a fancy text and plain text. So we're going to use fancy text. Or we'll go to text features. As we learned previously, we can add a text from here, or we can add a text from on our workspace. So we can put here, for example, walk in love. Then we add fancy text. Yep. Yep. Walk in love. So you can see it. I have to go black. And yep. Also has to go black. And let's see. Okay. And reducing the bit. Let's see. Okay. And in the white, right? Have to adjust this guy a bit. Or we can reduce this guy. Making it close, 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 and close. Okay. And we can increase this thickness of this guy a bit and expand it, and expand it. Now, what we're going to do next is this text. Now you see the text here. The text here is curved. Okay, it's curved. So we're going to make this how to curve this text. So let's go back to our workspace. And as you can see right here, you see text shapes. Okay, you can curve it upward, curve it downward, wave left, wave right, roofed. So what we want to do now, as you can see, is curve upward. Okay, so we want it to be curved or downward, we want it to be curved up. Now this is it. And then how we can make the curve that deep, okay, a deep curve. We have to increase the deepness of the curve from this point. Okay. mean, you can do it until where you wanted to stop, okay? Maybe I wanted to stop here. Okay, I wanted to stop here. And probably I could adjust this one a bit, stay, and this one also. Just wanted to be center, right? I mean, don't go for perfection, go for effort, okay? Because what we're doing here is not going to be as precise as you want it to be, but you will accomplish your goal, okay? You will get perfect, okay? You will get control. That's what it means to be perfect. You will get control the more you practice. Now, one more thing, we have to go back to this curve thing, and we have to release it so that you can see the point here I'm trying to talk about. Okay, so we need to reduce it again so that it can fit within that cycle. Okay, okay, there you have it. There you have it. Now the next part is, you can see here, okay, we also have it below, and then we have something in the center there. Now, let's go back to our worksheet. Okay, let's go back to our worksheet and make sure that we're doing what is right. All right. And this one, we can also duplicate this one, and we can change the text shapes to curve down. And that's really simple. And all you need to do again, you just the deepness of the curve is what you want to work on. You want to work on the deepness of the curve. Okay. If it's okay, and you can add it there. Can reduce it. Now there you go. You have the logo right there. Pretty perfect, isn't it? I mean, not that 100%, but if you look at this work here, it's actually what we have just done. Okay, completely. We have just did it. And let's say we want to make this one probably a white. Yeah, I think we should do that. A white. White as in gold, black, and we want to make this a white. Yes, it's great. Oh, I mean, you can design it any way of your choice. Okay, you can change this to red if you like, which I think it would be more beautiful. And you increase the bottom outside, the thickness of it, at least 5, and make it red. One of the bees like the red inside. Okay, just like this red inside. So we have to make sure that we exactly we have it. I mean, it's gonna take us some time to get it, but yeah, we will grab that red and oh, let's go. Maybe we can go pink, right? I think we should do our own thing. I mean, I know we're just trying to follow the example, but if you look at what we're doing, just for us to learn how to make these amazing things, and I think by doing this way, it helps us to be more creative, right? It helps us to be more creative. Now, another thing that we saw was this one, uh, which is this sound that said love. Okay, we want to. How can we put this stock post photo there? So it's very simple. All we have to do is just come right here, as you can see, the elements sections, and then you add clip art. Now, once you add clip art, you just type in the word love, and you have all of them coming up. And you can pick any one of the choice. It is not well restricted. Okay, it is not restricted. For example, you can take any of these. It's not restricted. But I mean, just to show the example, now this is it. Just click add clip art, and it's gonna be a bigger mess of color. But I mean, yeah, we're practicing. Okay, I know you're trying to be, but we can get something straight. Guess what? We can get it straight right here. This one can go straight red. Okay, straight red. Trust me, I get that. I get that. Okay, and the same thing. I get that. You got it? So that's it, guys. So that's how you can do, I mean, make awesome logo like this, okay? That's how you can make awesome logo like this. And this is for day one, guys. So I hope that this video was very informative and educative for you to understand how to use Postermywall to make your awesome logo. You can do any logo, anything you want to just imagine it. You want to make any logo, just comment below and tell me what you want to make. We can do it. I can do that video for you. And I promise you it's going to be a great video. And I'm going to help you walk you through it like this step by step. And thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment below and subscribe, like and share my video. Click the notification bell to receive my updates videos. So I hope to see you guys within the next or within day 2. And you take care and have a great day. Bye.